And depending on what you had to do today, the snow was either friend or foe.
Airports saw a lot of cancellations, while many kids hoping for a day off did not get them. CBS 2's Dave Carlin has a story.
The first time this year?
Yeah.
In East Elmhurst, Queens, this chore that few people embrace.
I don't like it.
Brushing away snow here while packing it into snowballs were these New York City public school kids.
I hope it's a snow day.
He did not get his wish. Mayor Eric Adams decided against closing city schools after speaking with the sanitation commissioner and schools chancellor.
We lost a lot of school days due to COVID, and I think it's imperative that we're playing catch up right now.
The new mayor made the right choice. He's trying to keep them in school, and that's what they need after the pandemic.
It's easy to walk, but not easy to drive. So that presents a lot of problems for commuting faculty.
It was a bumpy, slippery start to Friday for some of those traveling by roads, by rail, and by air. At LaGuardia Airport, there were cancellations by the dozens.
Mixed snow with COVID-related sick-outs, and you have flight schedules that are not set in stone.
This one here, American Airlines.
Natasha Parham of Fresh Meadows and other passengers constantly check the flight boards and their phones.
I'm going to Crawfordville, Georgia to see some family. I was a little annoyed. My initial flight was supposed to be at 6 something in the morning. It was rescheduled 3 different times.
Louis Balat and his family, visiting here from Singapore, say they needed negative COVID tests, clear airport runways, and flight crews and planes in their proper places.
We just hope that we get our flight, everything set up to fly to Singapore tomorrow.
With the snow melting fast, they're counting on a smooth Saturday with this storm in everybody's rear view. Dave Carlin, CBS 2 News.